What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And guys, things are getting a little bit worse when it comes to the cryptocurrency market and global news. Now remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. We're gonna go ahead and dive right in, folks. We're gonna go ahead and dive right in. If you just Google Russia-Ukraine news, NPR, Russia says it will stage nuclear drills amid Ukraine standoff. Things are looking kind of scary. They are, because we don't want war. At the very beginning, it's going to cause a lot of issues. And things that we do not want is war. Not right now, not with all the uncertainty already that we are seeing ahead of us. We are finally recovering from the overall pandemic. Omicron is starting to finally die off. People are getting healthier. People are going back to work. And now we are seeing all of this. In addition, you guys probably heard earlier today, Biden seen issuing crypto oversight exec order next week. So this is an urgent warning for crypto investors that things might get a little bit worse before they get a lot better. And honestly, I feel like a lot of these different politicians might just want to get a piece of the pie. Maybe they are buying the dip. You can have your own opinion, but Bitcoin at 40,000. It's holding strong, to be honest. With all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt plaguing the market, I'm actually pretty impressed with how well the market is holding up, showing you that people are diamond handing their positions in a lot of these different assets. Shiba Inu at 28,640 Satoshis holding strong. ETH, 2,800, BTC. And I'm bullish. Long term on crypto, even in 2022, I do believe after all of this is better, things just kind of normalize and everything goes back to normal. Bitcoin will hit 100,000 this year. Ethereum, I am very certain of it, will also hit maybe $6,000 to $8,000 by end of year. Global cryptocurrency market adoption is increasing each and every day. But that doesn't stop FUD and issues occurring on the way and a bumpy ride, right? This is a very volatile market, so only put money into it that you're willing to lose. And then for me, anytime I see significant dips, that's when I'm accumulating and increasing my positions in different assets. There's a link in the description below for I Trust Capital, where you can start signing up today and get a free $100 funding reward as soon as you make your account. Just sign up with your email. There's a link in the description. Take advantage, folks. Free money is waiting for you. If you're truly diamond handing your positions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, even Shiba Inu, you can put those away in your retirement account, offset some of your tax burden from 2021, especially if you made money last year. And again, put money away and let it be locked in a safe place that you don't have to worry about volatility. So go ahead and consider I Trust Capital to fund your IRA or individual retirement account. Let's talk about Biden. Again, he's been seen issuing crypto oversight exec order next week, guys. So again, as I mentioned, an urgent warning to crypto investors. President Biden is expected to issue an executive order next week directing agencies across the government to study cryptocurrencies and a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, and come up with a government-wide strategy to regulate digital assets. According to an administration official familiar with the matter, the forthcoming directive would commission a study of the CBDC and ask a range of agencies, including the Departments of Treasury, State, Justice, and Homeland Security, to develop and report the future of money and payment systems. Meanwhile, the director of the Office of Science and Tech Policy will do a technical evaluation of what might be needed to support the CBDC system. The move comes after Bloomberg News reported on Wednesday that the rift has developed between the White House and the Treasury over crypto regulation, but a Treasury official disputed the account as inaccurate. The administration is engaging in a wide-ranging effort to regulate the sector, with the FBI forming a new crypto unit led by seasoned computer crimes prosecutor. The Financial Stability Oversight, I'm just going to continue reading, FSOC, created in 2008 after the 2008 financial crisis to monitor the risk to the system, will be asked to study financial stability issues that arise from digital assets. The president's working group on financial markets, folks, has already tasked the FSOC with looking into systemic risks of stablecoins. And that's my assumption. The reason I say it's a urgent warning to crypto investors is there's going to be a lot of FUD. There is going to be so much fear in anticipation of what's going to happen in terms of regulatory affairs and crypto with the Biden administration. I believe it's going to be as simple as restrictions on stable tokens. Maybe it means No more USDC, no more USDT to a certain extent. And we have to instead use the CBDC or a specific US developed stablecoin. That could be a potential forthcoming regulatory affair. This week, the Treasury, Undersecretary Nellie Liang told the Senate that the Council is discussing the prospect of risk stablecoins pose and taking steps to see what authorities regulators have. Treasury is hopeful Congress will act since its authorities are limited. So, guys, we have a lot of things that we're going to look forward. FTC is going to get involved, SEC, but hopefully giving us, again, a clear direction, a clear narrative for cryptocurrency in the United States of America and the rest of the globe. For those of you who've been able to stomach volatility over all of this FUD, this beats off any FUD that I think we have ever seen in the history of crypto. And it's showing that mass adoption is really here, folks. People are holding on to their positions for dear life, literally hodl. And they are doing so with all the FUD that is coming. And that's why I believe as soon as everything is cleared, everything with Ukraine and Russia, everything with the Biden administration coming out and saying their statement, the Fed's next month's doing what they have to do. If we can get through February and March, just February and the beginning of March, after the Feds come out and do what they have to do with interest rates, if they have to hike them, so be it, then we will have clear direction moving forward. Assess your own risk tolerance. This is not a time, to play with hard-earned money. This is a time to pay attention to your investments. Look across all of your financials. Make decisions based off of that risk that you are willing to take. If you have $100,000 of money just laying around, yes, maybe it does make sense for you to take 10% of that or 10,000 and invest it into crypto assets or put it into the markets. But otherwise, with how much risk there is and volatility coming soon, and you might not be able to stomach it, or you're putting money, hard-earned money or money that you're not willing to lose into the markets, that's where we will see issues of people significantly taking big losses in the weeks to come. So again, be extremely cautious proceeding throughout the weekend and going into next week. We need direction. We need clarity of what's going to happen with the economy and specifically what's going to happen with the sector of cryptocurrency. I appreciate you guys' love and support, especially during these tough, volatile times, but do what you got to do. But as always, I would appreciate it, really would appreciate it if you could smash the like button before you head off and consider subscribing to the channel, where I'll try to bring information to you guys about cryptocurrency each and every day. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.